Ini tayo ba?
I guess I'm gonna have to turn around, go down that way. Okay, dead battery. Good times. I don't know if this is gonna be enough to get it started though. Okay. Come on. Nope. God dang it. Oh, I'm out of breath. When you have to do this, you start in first or second? Because I was told that second may be better. Here we go. Right down here. Come on. Son of a bitch, why? Dude, I don't get it. I don't know if it just wasn't fast enough, but my speedo just said 0 the entire time. This is ridiculous. Poor bike. Oh, this is fun. Should not have turned it off to get air. Okay, we got my bike started. Also, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Great start, great start. Oh, by the way, I'm here with Cody, and he helped me get my bike started at the gas station. Should have just not turned it off, but I did. So yeah, today I'm actually going to his family's farm. Whose farm is that? It is the Collins farm. Yeah, I'm going there because I need to record a video for my bike in general, doing like a mods and updates kind of video because somebody actually requested it. And again, I said this before, if you guys want to see a specific video, let me know and I will do it. I figured I would go over some updates in general, because this is actually one of the first times that I've ridden since the end of summer ride. The last video that came out was a bike swap on the FC09, but that was actually before the end of summer ride. I had issues with that video. The first clip in the video was corrupted, and it threw off everything. Like, it just kept freezing my computer, but it turns out the hard drive that it was on was bad, and I think it kind of forced its hand. It was like the last straw that broke my hard drive, the last file. Yeah, so that happened, I guess it was like early October, and my hard drive went bad. I didn't know at the time because the RAID system I had, it said it was trying to rebuild it. Well, it was rebuilding it for 2 weeks, and we actually went on a vacation in that time, and it was just rebuilding the entire time we were gone. And then I get back, and I'm like, okay, cool, it says it's 100%, but the hard drive was bad. So then I had to order another one. I got one from Amazon. It was there in like 2 days, or the very next day, and it was bad. It had already been opened, and it's like a return from somebody because it was bad, and they sent me that one. So then I had to exchange that, wait for the new one to get in, and then I put it in, it rebuilt the RAID system, all that stuff, and then it was good to go. I was dealing with that. That's why there wasn't any videos for like a month and a half. Had to do all of that stuff, get my system squared away. So then it turns out the file that was corrupted, it was still corrupted, but it wouldn't crash my system. So I'm pretty sure it was because of the hard drive going bad. But I worked around that. That video came out. If you guys remember, on the end of summer ride, my bike died randomly. I had to push start my bike with the help of some people on the ride. I actually went to Antoine's place because, you know, he's got his Project Star Killer going on, and he actually did a battery swap out of his. So I went over there one day. I had to jump start it to even get to his place, but then when I went over there, he gave me his battery. So the issue there was it had also been sitting a while because he swapped it back in like May, I think. His battery was dead. We had to charge that while I was there. I don't think it got a full charge. So yeah, here we are. But when I left, I stopped and got gas, and it started up just fine. There was no issues. But then come today, it's only been a week or two since I swapped out the battery with him. First thing, won't start in the driveway, so I had to jump start it. I was kind of dumb about this, but I turned off the bike because I thought I needed to top off. I did not. It was dead again. It could die again. I don't know. And if it does die again, then I don't know if it's the battery or not. I definitely need to look into getting a tender for the winter. This has made me realize that I need a battery tender for sure. Concealed driveways. Nothing. So yeah, I guess that that covers my bike situation and the video situation. Other than that, I don't know. I think I got out of riding this summer for whatever reason. I didn't ride a whole lot. So there's I'm actually out of motorcycle content. That last bike swap, that was it. I haven't been riding. I don't know why, but I just haven't been. Other than the bike and the video stuff, everything's been good, I guess. Just dealing with the... Cody said it's 2020, nothing's good. But yeah, dealing with the pandemic and everything. My dad actually got coronavirus. Antoine's mom got it. Your mom got it? Oh, you got it. Oh, you didn't say anything about it. Okay, well, apparently Cody had it. He didn't tell the guys at all, but he said he had it for like 2 days, so I guess his was mild. My dad got it hard. It hit him hard. A severe flu kind of situation. It's actually hitting closer to home now, I guess, because in the beginning it's like, whatever, you know, everybody's gonna get it, but now people are actually getting it that I know, so, you know, dealing with that. What else is going on? Oh, we're turning into gravel here, huh? Is this it? Yeah, cool. Private property. Yeah, so it's turning into colder weather. It's like 2 weeks from Christmas now, which is ridiculous. So weather's starting to cool off, so honestly I don't know how much more motorcycle content I'm gonna have, but whatever I do get, I will try to record. I know I still got to do a video about why Darius went with the why Darius went with the ZX10, and that specific, there's a horse running looking majestic. So yeah, I got to do a video about Darius getting his bike. I meant to do that. We were going to give him a whole reveal video for that, and we just never did. So side notes here, just branching off, trying to cover a little bit of everything. Oh, get it, horsey! Yeah! You're definitely going to beat me because I'm on gravel. Oh, look at that stop! Did a little power slide. Trotting in place. Anyway, yeah, so motorcycle content, blah, blah, blah. If you guys did not know or don't remember, I am doing the Appalachian Trail in June. So once that happens, all of the motorcycle content is going to go away, at least for a while, until I get back. But before I go on the trail, we are still in the process of doing the Star Killer build series with Antoine's new bike. So that video, these are big rocks. That video is actually, or videos, that video series is actually going to be the last motorcycle content until I do the trail. So I'm gonna, it's still not actually done, but once it is done, I'm gonna have one video a week post, and then, God, this is so distracting. I'm so like, I'm just looking at the horses. Hey horses, they're looking at me too. Hey guys, what you doing? Hey. Yeah, so the Star Killer build series, that is going to be the last bit of content I post motorcycle related before I go on the trail. So that's how I'm planning it. But since it is getting cold, I don't know how much more I'm going to record before then, so that could be it. That could be the rest of the motorcycle content, really. But I don't know. I'll play it by ear, see what happens. Well, this is pretty cool.
Yeah.
The only issue is the sun's over there. Should I turn my bike off? Oh, so I mentioned this before. We went on a trip. and that was like right when the hard drive issues went down, which, yeah, I'm doing the Alaska videos now. Those videos are almost done. Hopefully people have been enjoying them that have watched them. But after that, we're gonna do the trip that we did in October. After we got back from that trip, we did another trip in November. So that one will come out at some point too. So I'm gonna have a lot of trips coming out leading up to me doing the Appalachian Trail. So there's a lot. So are these like your family's horses? Can we go play with them? I guess I'm gonna stop it. Oh, that's West? Dang. Yeah, that sucks. If I'm recording like this way and that's all lit up super bright, it's either going to be blown out or the bike is going to be dark. Of course, I could just have it on a tripod. I could just like crop out the bike and have it exposed perfectly, and then crop out and have everything else exposed perfectly. It'd be a little bit more work, but if I set it up on the tripod, I could do it. Let's go look at some horses real quick. Oh, that's what I was going to talk about. So this time last year, we were actually doing the Vlogmas. My first attempt at daily vlogging, even though it wasn't, but I got sick during it, and we were gaining like 500 subs a month. And then as soon as Vlogmas hit, we hit a brick wall, and we've just never gotten it back. Oh, what am I doing? I got my camera. I'm gonna switch to the camera. I have the drone too. I have everything. But I'm like, let me keep my helmet on so I can finish this vlog. Velvet or suede?
Yeah, it feels like suede.
Cody's checking out the new cards. Yeah. So before I leave the bike, I forgot to mention this, but I went back and decided to use the Indy filters again for the GoPros. I actually haven't used those since I swapped from the 5. So since I've had the 7s, I haven't replaced the screens. Oh no, I take that back. I did replace the screens after Jared went down in Barber. Thanks, Jared.
Way to go, Jared.
Way to go, Jared. Anyway, yeah, so I was talking about Vlogmas. This time last year, I was doing Vlogmas, and it was stressful. There was so much work going into it, and I just did not see the benefit, really, of all the time and effort that went into those videos. I got sick doing it, so I was doing half the videos while I was sick, and I don't feel like doing that again. At least right now. Oh, I gotta watch for poop. Oh my God. Yeah, so we're not doing Vlogmas. There you go. That was that. Kind of like an update video, trying to get back out there, start making videos again, you know, doing all that stuff. I'm trying. I am trying. But we're gonna end this video with some horses. Hi, horsey. Hello. Ooh, do you like your face petted? Come on, horsey. Come on. Hi. Are you a little scared about the camera?
Yeah. All right. You're okay.
Like, no, I don't like that. Nope. So I just realized on that entire walk over here that I had the image stabilization off. So it's probably just bouncing all over the place. It's been a while. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, what about my white balance? Just realized my white balance was not set properly too, so. Yep. All right, guys, so that'll do it for this video. Just kind of like a update kind of deal. It's the first video I've done in a while, so I figured might as well record on the way out here. And now I gotta get the bike set up. Hopefully it starts. But yeah, I'm gonna do the video like right in front of the lake. The issue I'm having is the sun is right there. So as you can see, me, I am very dark right here. But this way, I'm very bright. So if I have that, the water in the background, it would look amazing. But the bike is gonna be super dark, so that's something I'm gonna have to work out now. And we got a horse coming to join us. He's like, hey guys, what you doing? Oh, they're all coming. Anywho.
That's a good picture.
Alright, well, I was gonna do my outro with the horse right there. You jerk. Alright, so that's gonna do it for this one. Just a little update video. Trying to get back out, make some videos. I gotta get to work on this thing, so see you guys in the next one. Okay. Moment of truth. Oh my god. That was so close. Yeah. Good job, bike. I like it. I felt it doing that little starting to crank, so I just gave it a little bit of gas, but I thought it was too late, and then it was like, yeah. I knew you wouldn't let me down. I didn't think it would either.